If you're into using skincare products, then you probably know that tretinoin gets a lot of mixed reviews. You get people who love it, you have people who fear it, and then you have people who have no clue what it is. So today I'm going to be talking to you about how you should be using tretinoin in your skincare routine, especially if you deal with acne, hyperpigmentation, or you just want to use it for overall anti-aging benefits. So stay tuned for the video. Hi everyone, my name is Dr. D. I'm an internal medicine physician practicing aesthetics in the DC metro area. And on this channel, we talk about skincare and women's health topics. So before we talk about how you should use tretinoin in your skincare routine, it's important to know a little bit about what it is and what it's supposed to be used for. Tretinoin, also known as Retin-A, is a vitamin A derivative. It helps to stimulate the growth of new cells, it unclogs your pores, and it also helps to promote the normal flow of sebum in the skin. As a result, it's going to help with acne, hyperpigmentation, fine lines and wrinkles, and it also helps to improve dull skin. So it's an amazing product, okay? But it's a little bit tricky to use because it has a tendency to cause a lot of dryness in a lot of individuals. And for some people, it can actually lead to so much irritation that you can actually develop post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. So it's really important to understand how to use this product in your skincare routine so that you can prevent the potential complications and instead benefit from all of the things that it has to offer. So now let's talk about how you should use tretinoin in your skincare routine. First of all, you should only use tretinoin at night. You want to use tretinoin after you have cleansed your skin. So first step in your skincare routine at night is to cleanse your skin. Then you want to make sure that your skin is dry, because if you use tretinoin with wet skin, it can actually cause more irritation to your skin. So make sure your skin is dry. If you're a beginner, the next step would be for you to use a moisturizer on your skin lightly. And then you want to use a pea-sized amount of tretinoin, and you want to use it on your forehead, your cheeks, and your chin area. The areas that you want to avoid are the corners of your eyes, the corners of your nose, and the corners of your mouth. If you want, you can use some Vaseline in those areas to prevent any sort of irritation in those areas while you're using tretinoin on your skin. Some people might choose to use a moisturizer on top of it, but personally, I don't think it's a good idea. So I would just leave it at that, and you can go straight on to bed. If you're using tretinoin in your skincare routine, then you know that the next morning, the most important step that you have to take is using sunscreen, because tretinoin is going to make your skin very, very sensitive. And if you're not protecting your skin from UV rays and UV damage, then you can actually cause PIH, or post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, because of the lack of protection to your skin. And we all know that tretinoin is going to cause some irritation. That's how it works. So you want to do your best to prevent any sort of irritation to your skin by protecting your skin from UV rays and UV damage. If you're a beginner with tretinoin, I would recommend that you actually use tretinoin once a week, and then you can work your way up to twice a week, 3 times a week, all the way up to maybe 5 times a week. Some people can use this product daily, but if you're a beginner and if you have sensitive skin, you want to limit its use to between 3 to 5 times a week for optimal results. Here are a few do's and don'ts if it's your first time using tretinoin on your skin or in your skincare routine. So the first thing I want you to do is make sure you use it on dry skin. Very important. If you're sensitive or if it's your first time, then you want to make sure you use a moisturizer prior to using the pea-sized amount that you need for your skin. Most importantly, you want to make sure you're using sunscreen during the daytime, because there's no point in irritating your skin, getting all these beautiful new skin cells to turn over, and then for you to destroy it with UV rays or UV damage, okay? You want to make sure you put Vaseline in sensitive areas so that you don't cause further irritation. You want to make sure that you're actually avoiding the use of other exfoliants such as AHAs and BHAs on the same day that you're using your retinol. This is really important because you don't want to over exfoliate your skin and cause irritation and then have PIH or even worsening of the irritation that can come with tretinoin. Some people like to use vitamin C in the evening. I would not recommend using vitamin C in the evening on days when you're using tretinoin as well. My last tip is to give it some time, okay? It takes between 6 weeks to 12 weeks for tretinoin to actually start to work really well. And yes, you might get some irritation and purging during that time period, but you just want to do your best to be patient, get through the purging phase, and I promise you, towards the end of it, you will have really, really amazing skin, and you'll have reduction of your acne. Your skin's gonna start to glow, and you're gonna be really happy that you stuck with it. So I know that there's a lot of apprehension around the use of tretinoin, but I promise you it is worth it to try to use this product. Just go slow, and it's a marathon, it is not a race. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have other questions, then make sure you comment below and I will do a video on those topics, okay? Or on those questions. Have a nice day. Bye.